Okay, good morning. We are studying today is the second module of your in business environment. PTQM, productivity and total quality management. In this, we are studying today's the topic is material management. Okay, and the concepts are as follows. The first concept is introduction to material management, material classification, and concept storing, handling, and inventory. Storage, in handling, and inventory. In short, the concept is depending on the you are talking about what can you done and what happened is that. Okay. Then let's start the main concept. The first part is introduction to material management. What is material management? Material management is a study of approach for planning, organizing, and controlling those activities principally concerned with the following material into the organization. The scope of material management generally the company of many including material planning and controlling, production planning, purchasing, inventory control, in-plant material movement, and waste management. Are you getting? या उसमें वही लिखा हुआ है क्या लिखा हुआ है देखो मटेरियल मैनेजमेंट इंश्योर द बैलेंस growth and efficiency running in enterprise. क्या होते हैं growth and efficiency running? The scope of material management where generally the company mainly including the material planning. तो planning कैसे करेंगे उस material को कैसे use करें, control उसके ऊपर कैसा रखेंगे regarding to the production plan, purchase के कहाँ से करना है कितना करना है and all, और उसके बाद scrap generate होगा उस scrap के recognition. Okay, जैसे कि तुमने मेरे हिसाब से फाइनेंस वालों के लिए इजी कंसेप्ट अगर आइडेंटिफाई करनी है तो जब इसको सीखना है मटेरियल मैनेजमेंट प्लान को मैक्सिमम हमें फीफो कॉस्ट अकाउंटिंग के जितने भी कंसेप्ट है उसको देखना है बिकॉज दे आर द फॉर प्रोडक्शन पर्पस होता है कॉस्ट तो उसके ऊपर ही रहता है। तो सेकंड पॉइंट इज नीड टू कंट्रोल द मटेरियल कॉस्ट एंड मटेरियल सप्लाई यूटिलिटी और हमें कंट्रोल करना रहता है कि कितनी मटेरियल कॉस्ट लेनी है और कितना सप्लाई करना है। आर यू गेटिंग? देन द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज मटेरियल इंट्रोडक्शन टू मटेरियल मैनेजमेंट में उसने क्या बोला है मटेरियल मैनेजमेंट लीड्स क्या होता है मटेरियल मैनेजमेंट टर्म टू बी यूज्ड टू कंट्रोलिंग टू काइंड autonomous location movement timing and variation commodities used for the production by industry. In second word, the material management is basic function of basic that adds value of director and the production itself. In short, material management leads to the maximum production, reduction in cost, प्रोडक्शन डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन मैक्सिमम प्रॉफिट क्यों उसने ऐसा बोला हुआ है तो उसने उसका इन शॉर्ट डिफाइन किया हुआ है तो डेफिनेशन के अंदर उसने बोला हुआ है इट इज बिगिनिंग विद द डिटरमाइन द मटेरियल क्वालिटी मैक्सिमम प्रोडक्शन के लिए क्वालिटी एंड क्वांटिटी एम्स विद द इंश्योर द प्रोडक्शन ऑफ मीट्स टू कंज्यूमर डिमांड एज पर द शेड्यूल ऑफ लोएस्ट कॉस्ट कम कॉस्ट में क्या होगा मैक्सिमम प्रॉफिट होगा फॉर लोएस्ट पर्पस आर यू गेटिंग maximum production it means the large number of production okay at a low cost okay then the next point is the bluely defined as the material management Blue and Farmers defined as material management as a management of flow of material into an organization to the point where there the material are converted into the firm and product firm to product है ना in short the bigger यहाँ उसमें firm and product in short को करते हुए उसने क्या बोला हुआ है from to three level of business होते हैं beginning level to the top level business या फिर primary to secondary business and secondary to tertiary business methodology. Okay, primary business is the production in by your seeds यानी gardening करना उसके बाद जो raw material है वो generate करना then this the fruits and other the seeds जो तैयार होंगे for the production purpose the raw material are generated transferred into factory is the secondary business pattern and from that the selling process or the service provided by that is the tertiary process. Okay, Armour defined as the process by which organization supply goods service that's the needs to achieve the object क्या होता है maximum profit and maximum profit के लिए हमें क्या होना है maximum production and maximum production is depending on the maximum work. Okay, then the material management being supply and the end with the material being consumed. इसको क्या डिफाइन किया हुआ है? मटेरियल मैनेजमेंट मींस क्या है? सप्लाई करना, इट मींस सप्लाई टू रॉ मटेरियल, देन प्रोडक्शन फॉर द कंज्यूमर, production for consumer and its consumed goods. Okay, then classification of material management. The number of classification is there. The number is various item carrying the store generally divided into the following method. First, raw material. देखो क्लासिक मटेरियल मैनेजमेंट में कैसे कैसे अप्लाई किया जाएगा. तो पहले हम क्या बोलेंगे उसको? स्टडी ऑफ रॉ मटेरियल. पहले हम देखेंगे कि रॉ मटेरियल की क्वालिटीज क्या होनी चाहिए, कैसा होना चाहिए. उसके बाद क्वांटिटी ऑफ यूनिट कितना है. उसके बाद फर्स्ट इन फर्स्ट आउट कब होगा, रीऑर्डर कब होंगी, क्वांटिटी कितना है, EOQ लेवल कितना है, and all. It is a raw material study. Then purchase equipment. Purchase equipment, it is a supplier study. Then supplier pattern, supply goods timing and all. इसके बारे में हम स्टडी करेंगे, उसे कहते हैं purchase equipment. Then WIP या फिर material handling बोला जाता है, यानी जो आधा तैयार आधा बाकी बचा होता है. Work in progress, it means the shutdown period but remaining work remains. उसको हम finish नहीं कर पा रहे, तो work in progress. Then spare finished goods, it is ready to store. Then spares, then consumable, machinery and equipment, inflammable, thermals, chemicals, fuel, furniture, scrap materials, packaging material and fuel stock. In short, the complete process के बीच में जो लगने वाले मटेरियल है और उनकी जो सप्लाई कंसेप्ट रहेगी उसे उसने क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ मटेरियल्स बोला हुआ है. Then the next point is, उसी को उसने ब्रीफली एक्सप्लेन किया. मटेरियल मैनेजमेंट इज अ कांसेप्ट with those management function like purchasing, production and inventory control, material handling, packaging, tracking and distribution. क्या बोला हुआ सुनने को? Material management is a concept with those management functioning like purchasing, inventory and all. Inventory control is the entire part with the material. Inventory को control करना भी होता है. Then the main point is objective. Okay, then come to the objective point, and the objectives are to ensure the uninterrupted operation production flow by material. In short, तुम्हारे टेक्स्ट बुक में भी जो ऑब्जेक्टिव दिए हुए लाइक दिस है, और इसी तरह तुम्हें ऑब्जेक्टिव लिखना है, तो ना ब्रीफली एक्सप्लेन करना है. The first, to buy the lowest price consists by directly quality of product, to maintain the high inventory turnover by reducing existing store, to enjoy economic cost. In short, then to maintain the continuity to supply, increase to enjoy for increasing the warehousing and storing, यानी बार-बार तुम्हारे warehouse में store होना चाहिए, आना चाहिए. Then to maintain the specific material quality level and consuming the quality, which is to reduce the working capital requirement, improve the quality and manufacturing goods, to increase the competitive goods, reduction in price, to minimize the overall cost, equipment, improve the efficiency of operations, to develop and maintain the goods and supply relationship in order to the great supplier attitude and desire function. Okay, and to save the foreign transaction through the important subsidies, to make use of coordinator among all departments, to convert the method of resources of organization. And the importance are money spent for material high at the 55 to 80%. Material पर हम कितना money supply करते हैं? तो 50 और your all capital का 55% to 80% of capital is used for the money supply. Okay, better condition of all functions like purchase, storekeeping, transport and distribution, etc. Elementary possibility, confliction might occur. Then optimum material purchase, reduction in cost and etc. ये इसके main important है from this objective. Then the function area of material. What are the function? The first is primary function, then secondary function and all. The first study of primary function. तो क्या होता है? Material require planning and sourcing. Okay, the MRP, it stands for material required planning. Okay, MRP is a technique used for planning material starting for the new material, finished parts, component, assemble and assembling as per bill of material, BOM, to purchase the producer to support master production and maximum use of material. That use of MPSC to manufacture the product and require assemble company and material to produce the final procedure. Then second thing is the purchasing. In this classification, primary function classification is पॉइंट वाइज मला पॉइंट वाइज नाही का म्हणजे
बोले ऑब्जेक्टिव्स बेस्ड इन द hypothesis matters of the
हे तो ऑब्जेक्टिव्ह म्हणजे त्यातले हायपोथेसिस ना बरोबर आणि काम कर त्याला पॉइंट वाइज पहिला काय झालं पाहिजे इंटरेस्ट मॅच झालं मी स्वतः लाईन वर आहे पासून हायपर त्यांची नाव ऑब्जेक्टिव्ह इनकम टॅक्स इनकम ॲक्च्युअल टू बेसिस पे डिपेंडेंस अमाउंट ऑफ पूरा जो पीडीएफ पढ़ लीजिए आगे समझ लीजिए ऑब्जेक्टिव का वर्क पैटर्न करके बता रहे हैं तो इसमें पॉइंट करते हैं चार
में भी पढ़ लिया
तो इसके अपने का स्टेप ठीक है तो मंडल है मॅडमला फक्त बोलतास हीच फक्त रॉंग बोलतात ना
हे पडले ना परत अभ्यास वाटतं खाली हीच
ऑब्जेक्टिव्ह मॅडमला
अस्मियाला नाही बोलला त्यांच्या इंडियामध्ये पण एक केली
चला सुरू okay, come to the point. Then function of management. Hello. Then functions that are there. The budgeting. Budgeting is there. Sorry. The next is purchasing. The purchasing means the storing of number of study. All the organization needs an efficiency of economic purchase and procurement. It is a various supply of material. From the supply of material, management department has performed this function of purchase and procedure of the material vary. Efficiency of 50 to 60% of salary turnover. Spending on his business. Okay. Spend of purchase various material, the amount of profit earning for the spend of salary very much depend how to economic to material are purchased and utilized. The organize the profitability depend on efficiency by which this particular function of purchase and processing of required material at a right time of will done. Okay. Then the next point is inventory planning control IPC. It is planning to purchase. And the first point के ऊपर ही आपको discuss करें उसको briefly देख रहे हैं. The modern concept of inventory planning that is a material should be purchasing and brought at the storage just as the before entire and the production is sold out of so that inventory cost of negative. The zero inventory are the idea planning and these are the types of inventory. It means raw material, purchase of goods and finished goods, etc. Okay. Then the quality of control and material. Quality of control planning में ही हो रहा है. Planning में quality control कैसा होगा? The quality of production, manufacturing, the organization depends upon the quality of material, use of the manufacturing function of material, controlling the simplification, specification, and standardization of activity, which is assumed that if deciding the inspections of checking the various probability material as per their specific standard. The size is dimensions of measuring within the tolerant limit of assure to injection and the related rate. Then the secondary function, your second function budgeting के ऊपर देखेंगे. The first is on this standardize and simplify simplification. This standardized and simplification verify types of material fixed by the design and technique depending by the organization. They are the followed by the production depend on standard definition, quality, reduction, size, and variety of interaction. Then second, the making and buying decision. In budgeting, making and buying, बनाने का या बेचने का उसके ऊपर study करेगा. This type of decision are the policy decision to management. This capacity of organization and the various facility developed by organization to manufacture the various items. This main objective of very organization. This is the importance to planning activity of every undertaking, but when the company grow, it decided whether the company should buy a part and component increase and establish the facility to cope up with the increased demand and sales. This will be the greatly concurrent to material management department. It will be helping the selection, the supply, but item reduce cost. The material evaluation is available alternative material section and production of this function, including in the buyer decision. Then third is forecasting and planning under this budgeting system. Forecasting and planning meaning कैसे plan करें, कैसे forecast करें of material. Material require the planning in basis the concurrent, the forecasting and sale of depend on the procedure within the market. The organization, the various methods of the forecasting in available and material management depend on the choose the one which give the best result. Company forecasting future demand and sale sets the planning material supply. Material methods are adopted system forecasting and planning procedure and various material requirement. Okay. Then the inventory and processing. Intending and processing researching and analyzing. Of researching and analyzing is the research of study regarding to the supplier. Supplier के research के ऊपर study करते हैं, कौन सी होनी चाहिए, कैसी होनी चाहिए, क्या होनी चाहिए, और उसके ऊपर फिर वो discuss करते हैं. Then the inventory and processing, receiving, storing, and accounting and controlling. That the part of ओके जो हमने ब्रीफली एक्सप्लेन किया तो उसमें क्या क्या किया जाता है. पहले प्लानिंग की जाती है कि हमें रॉ मटेरियल खरीदना है एज पर योर FIFO पैटर्न कि जब कम हो जाएगा इकोनॉमिक ऑर्डर क्वांटिटी तो उसको यूज किया जाएगा. देन बजट्स किया जाता है, तो बजटरी पैटर्न कि हमें कितने कॉस्ट से कितना खरीदना है. देन रिसर्च एंड एनालाइज किया जाता है, एनालाइजिंग आर डन दैट. देन रिसीविंग द स्टोरिंग एंड प्रोसेसिंग, अकाउंटिंग कंट्रोल, इशूइंग एंड डिस्पैच किया जाता है. देन डिस्पोजिंग. ओके नेक्स्ट पॉइंट. Material management as per price corporation. When the raw material converted into finished good, the production cost is material 60% to 70% of product cost. यानी जो होना चाहिए between the 60 to 70% होना चाहिए. Reason 30% minimum profit is must for the next year. Okay, so material management is treated as important function unlike material managing HR, financial or productions. Okay, then the next point is material management as an operation of function of operation and a production system. Okay, so ready to sell. Function of material management is considered subordinate to the production function. Material management considered as service function for production, operation and department. In this operation, they are ready to study the maximum number of production, maximum number of filing and maximum number of work is there. Split the material management as per prime function depend on the quantity of work is a primary function. कि अगर production होगा तो sale होने वाला है, तो production is must and then okay. Important of material management, it is more important, it is effective not only the particular industry but entire economic activity for whole. If the financial activity होने वाली है या sale and purchase by exchange of money economical होता है, the material contributed to quantity quality of ensuring quality of end of product. The amount spent of material is more than any other expense Material add value to the production, margin added between the raw material and finished goods, value addition, and on. Material recognized as the current asset, wastage of material will be free for the organization. Material response 60 to 70% must. Okay, then material management as service function. As service function, material management is a staff function and its service production and marketing making. Then these are the concept of integrated material management combination three function. It is combination of interdependent function. Three function it means the first is art as an art. It is the both science and as well as art. Material management basically divided into the three mode class. First, arranging the finance, assembling the equation, storage and production material and distribution. Okay. Then the next is integration approach of material management. Material management means the coordination of various departments. Material management spends a large sum of purchase material, so it is closer to finance department. Whereas finance department की क्योंकि जो planning होगी buyback किससे होने वाली है by cost और cost किससे आती है finance equity and all और इसमें finance department का help होता है. Product design of designing department needs coordinated the material department. Likewise, the other department were close integrated with the material department. Integrate approach various problem of material management with optimum benefit. Okay, the number of point is there covered. Advantage of integrated material management to obtain the material to supply right. ज़्यादा use करने के लिए. Then other department also responsible for daily needs and stock level. Stock level की study करने के लिए कभी कौन सा खत्म होगा, कौन सा order करना है, कौन सा नहीं करना है. इसके लिए complex the department objective should be linked to the common objective, cost reduction and increase the productivity and profit. Okay, department coordination and all. Thank you all of you. Here we have completed the first chapter of second model. ऐसे small chapter है तुम्हें जो मेरे हिसाब से 20 minutes के होंगे. मैं combine करके नहीं रखूंगा, so vice versa ही भेजते रहूंगा. Okay, ठीक है all of you.